video, I'll demonstrate how to replace the buttons of a blazer. Start by unpicking the old buttons from the sleeves and body face of the blazer. Make sure to remove any hanging threads. To stitch the buttons, pass the thread through the blazer first and then through the hole of the button. Then repeat 5 times and roll the thread around the button, finishing with a knot. While stitching the buttons, make sure that the graphic of the button is facing up and is straight and stable. Do the same for both sleeves and mind the lining under the cuff. If this video helped you learn something, please like and subscribe for more upcoming videos in this channel. Comment down below about any future video suggestions. Click here to watch my previous video and down here to subscribe.